This is my bolt action 700 BMG. Just for reference, this is a 50 BMG. That is a 660 grain full metal jacket. And this is a 700 Nitro Express. That is a 70 caliber 1000 grain bullet. And it's one of the largest elephant rifles in the world. So we're gonna set up the zombie on the other side of the beetle bug, but I think I'm gonna give him a little bit of body armor. This is Premier body armor, and this is a level 4 ceramic plate. Okay, but I'm gonna give him one more advantage. Instead of using a full metal jacket, I have a 1000 grain soft point.